I have utmost respect for writers and poets. I admire their aptitude to use big words in suited contexts and their thoroughness in applying proper grammar. Such propensities blow my mind and make me holler. In the early 1970s, Mrs. Peart, my high school English teacher, once instructed our class to write a rhyming 4-line stanza. I could not think of one dege word to write. I drew a blank and I panicked. I was filled with enfeebling fright. Me ratted out loud the poem them she asked the student them to read. My pride and my ego was at stake indeed. Gabrielle, what did you write? She inquired. No, nothing, Mrs. Peart. Miss Stutter. Me say, me did feel like one dunce, like one idiot. Me did feel like a dum-dum. After that experience, the baba, me did hate writing for years to come. Everybody else in them generation did write and read something. I was one of the few who wrote absolutely nothing. To the year 2017, I will fast forward. One day, I was pondering some OOK ending words, and I jotted down a few lines about a crook who took a book from my nook. I was impressed and pretty shocked that I formulated thoughts, in fact, and I actually arranged them in stanzas that rhyme, which was an impossible task for me way back in time. Yeah. In my opinion, rhyming in poetry is not an easy feat. To avoid it, some poets say, it can take a backseat. They don't hesitate to express how they feel. Box cover. May I tell you, man, the rhyming resistance is real. Others dislike the use of adverbs. They suggest the use of stronger verbs. I must confess that I'm confused though. So, what's the purpose of having adverbs, bro? The judgmental opinions of experts had kept me at bay because I would get nervous about criticisms they would pitch my way. When I dare to express my thoughts and experiences in poetic forms, my writings did not fit into their specific molds of poetry norms. But these words God had lodged in my spirit. Hold up, Gabi. Hold up just 1 minute. Stop watching others. Use the tools I have given you. Now go and tell your stories by making your writing debut. I'm feeling empowered, confident, and bold. For future generations, I will chronicle my life that is untold. So here I go. I'm no longer afraid of the experts' criticisms as I write my life stories in my rhymes and in my rhythms. Give thanks to the Lord, call upon him name, and make him deeds them be known among the people them. Psalm 105, verse 1.